Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome back to this space where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. First of all, we want to give thanks for our sister Priscilla who carried the word Kongiwi yesterday. Now, I hope you have ears and can listen good because we are doing a series on the parables them. Now, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, leave a comment, and share this video with at least one person. And if you don't do it yet, I invite you to click the subscribe button and the notification bell, because you're not going to miss none of what I go and write yourself. 5 o'clock Jamaica time, every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 13 from verse 47 to verse 52. God kingdom coming like this too. One net where fisherman throw to sea. When the net full up, them all it go land. And they sit down and sort out the fish them. Then put the good one them in a bucket and dash where the bad one them. And same so it go on the last day. Angel I go take out the wicked people from the one them will live right. And them I go dash them down a hell where the fire burn hot. This so people are go ball so till. And them I go grind them teeth the way of pain and bite them. You understand all when me say? Them say, yeah? Then him say to them, say, so, all of the law teacher them with turn one follower for God kingdom. Them come in like somebody with own one house and in take out them buttery, old sitting and new sitting. A God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.